old friend and one of the great American artists, David
What's the
Byrne.
booze?
What? Oh my God. Oh my God. It's David Byrne.
We're going to do one of David's songs
Oh my God.
called Buck Naked. And it was actually written for a funeral, but it goes really good with weddings and birthdays as well.
David Byrne.
Running naked down the state highway, running naked in the middle of the day, running naked like a tomcat's behind, running naked but the cat don't seem to mind. Give me your heart, I'll give you mine first. Give me your time, I'll give you my trust. And when when we find out, why does it take so long? Buck naked now, buck naked now, buck naked now in the eyes of the Lord. Running naked like a day when I was born. They're all naked in the land where I come from. I'm a long, long way from a great high place now. We're all naked if you turn us inside out. Buck naked now. We ain't got no clothes, that's for sure. In the eyes of God, naked in my heart, naked in my soul. Our hands and feet, does anybody know? Buck naked now, buck naked now, buck naked now in the eyes of the Lord. We'll do a religious number. Well, I was all caught up with myself on the highway at night, driving like a bat out of hell when I beheld an amazing sight. Was a lonely apparition by the roadside standing there, with a thumb out in the wind. What do you mean?